Imagine you're standing on the 100th floor of a giant needle made of glass and steel, suspended half a kilometer in the sky. Suddenly, the water in your glass starts to ripple, and the ground decides to do the cha-cha. Normally, this is where instinct kicks in and you'd panic. But then you look up and there it is. A massive, 660-ton golden ball, suspended by thick steel cables, just chilling. This isn't some avant-garde art piece or luxury decor. It's the only reason this building won't topple over in a typhoon.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
To the secret world of buildings that dance. In the world of structural engineering, being stiff is actually a death sentence. When the massive energy of an earthquake hits, it shoots right through the foundation. If the building is too rigid, it can't dissipate that energy. It snaps like a dry twig. To survive nature's fury, skyscrapers need to be flexible. They need to bend without breaking. But there's a catch. If they sway too much, the acceleration causes nausea. The people inside get seasick just from a windy day. It's a delicate balance. Enter the tuned mass damper, or TMD. Think of it as the building's inner peace. It's a device designed specifically to counteract these movements. According to research from the National Institute of Standards and Technology, it's all about inertia. Newton's laws in action at a massive scale. When the wind or a quake pushes the skyscraper to the left, that massive ball, thanks to its sheer weight and inertia, lags behind. It wants to stay put. As the building moves one way, the ball swings the other, pulling the structure back toward the center. It's like a giant invisible hand steadying a wobbly plate. It doesn't stop the movement entirely. It dampens it, smoothing out the violent shakes into gentle sways. This golden orb in Taipei 101 is the superstar of dampers. It's 5.5 meters wide, made of 41 layers of solid steel plates welded together. During Typhoon Soudeler in 2015, winds reached 100 miles per hour. The damper moved a record 39 inches. Without it, the structural stress could have been catastrophic. It's a literal lifesaver that weighs as much as 5 blue whales. That's 1.5 million pounds of steel swinging above your head. Fun fact, Taipei 101 loves its damper so much, they created mascots called damper babies. They have different colors and personalities, turning engineering into a cute cultural icon. But not all dampeners are golden balls. The Citigroup Center in New York uses a massive concrete block that slides on a thin film of oil, hidden away in the roof. And the Shanghai Tower uses an eddy current damper with magnets. It's basically a giant copper plate moving through a magnetic field to create resistance without friction. Engineers are constantly finding new ways to trick physics. It's a high-stakes game of balance where the prize is, well, keeping the sky from falling. Next time you're looking at a skyscraper, remember, it's not just a static statue. It's a living machine, actively fighting for its life with every gust of wind and rumble of the earth. So, here's a question for you. Would you feel safer in a building that stays perfectly still or one that's designed to dance with the storm? Let me know in the comments.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.